All right, today we're looking at question 9.6, not question 9.6, section 9.6, and it is going over log applications and expressions. Number one, we want to write the domain in interval notation. Okay, so logs are similar to radicals, square roots, in the fact that we cannot take the log of a negative. In fact, it has to be greater than 0. So in order to find the domain for any log function, you take the argument inside of the log. This is a natural log, so we're going to say 9 minus x. And we're going to set it strictly greater than 0. It has to be positive, and then this will allow us to figure it out. We're going to solve for x. Subtract 9 from both sides. That will go away, and we get negative x is greater than negative 9. Okay, so we don't want to have a negative x. It needs to be positive, so we're going to divide by negative 1. Negative divided by negative is a positive. Whenever you have an equality symbol and you multiply or divide by negative, that sign gets flipped, and then negative divided by negative is a positive. So our domain is x is less than 9. Okay, if we want to put that in interval notation, we do a number line, and this is going negative infinity to positive infinity. As long as your variable x is on the left, which is where we normally put it, this inequality is kind of like an arrowhead pointing to the left. So we would say from, let's say 0's in the middle, let's say 9 is over here. We would be shading this way, going to the left, because it's strictly less than and not equal to. We would use a parenthesis or a open circle and go from positive 9 to negative infinity, or in interval notation, negative infinity up to positive 9 as a max. All right, number 2, also want to write the domain. This time we have log x plus 2. Again, we just take the argument. So like even if there was some additional number out here, plus something, whatever, it didn't matter. Only what we focus on is the log. Sorry, not log. Domain x plus 2 strictly greater than 0. Solve by subtracting 2 to get x by itself, and we get x is greater than negative 2. So as long as we pick a number bigger than negative 2, in interval notation, 0's in the middle, negative 2 is here, and the arrowhead is pointing that direction. So parenthesis always, or open circle if we were doing that, and we're shading this way up to positive infinity. So negative 2 to positive infinity would be our domain.